Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds 3 and I'm going to tell you all the gestures you have to know before using your headphones. So our gestures are divided to the right earbud and the left earbud. On the right earbud, if we tap on our touch panel, we can play and pause our music. As you can see, it works. With the double tap we can go to the next track, and with the triple tap to the previous. Double tap, and I can't do the triple tap because I don't have Spotify Premium, but trust me, it works with the triple tap. If we tap and hold, we can go and activate Siri, as you can see. If we want to the left one, move to the left one, we can switch between noise cancellation and ambient awareness using just a single tap, as you can see. If we double tap, we can enable talk through, and if we tap and hold on our left one, we can activate Siri too. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.